Good day, everyone. How are you, beautiful people? So I just back to my home in Japan, in Osaka, yesterday. My body still feeling tired from my flight late midnight, but my mind and my heart full of gratitude. I'm grateful for having the opportunity to travel and meeting wonderful people. So here I am today, Saturday, in Osaka. In the morning, was very cold, so I'm wearing jacket, but now getting warmer. And the leaves just start change. Different gradation from green, yellow, orange, red. So Japanese autumn will be wonderful. This year I was sharing many beautiful videos on live with you. So look here up. Wow. Which color do you like? Amazing, right? Nature is full of beauty, inspiration. See, the sky is so deep, blue, clear, no cloud. When I was in Thailand, I can't see this sky. Yeah. In Japan, you can see the beautiful, the rare sky. You know, even we living in the city, but still the weather, the air clean compared to another country. So here another behind me, beautiful trees. This is a small park where kids come to play, have picnic. Small but beautiful. See this tree, the art and design of this tree, so amazing. Small tree, right? But very beautiful. So I will make another video. I am not in, I just show you around. So I will speaking in the video. See this beauty. See you later.